In this video, I'll show you how to ignore calls from someone without blocking them on Android. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Notifications. Scroll down and select Do Not Disturb. Now tap Calls and Messages. Here, you'll see options for who is allowed to contact you while Do Not Disturb is enabled. Tap Allow all except selected contacts. Next, tap Add Contacts. Select the contact whose calls you want to silence, then tap Done or Confirm. Once you've added the contact, make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. From now on, calls from that contact will be silenced while Do Not Disturb is active, but they won't be blocked. They can still leave voicemails, and you'll continue to receive their messages. And that's how to ignore calls from someone without blocking them on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.